Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nuggets News. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can win some money in a cool little lotto project that's popped up on Ethereum using the world of DeFi. Look, this is Pool Together and their smart contracts. I'm going to explain how this all works, but I was a bit shocked at the percentage of people in Australia that actually buy lotto tickets, particularly in certain age brackets there, over 50%, but even more so over in America. This is a $100 billion industry, and not all that money is paid out in prize pools. So a lot of it's kept by the company and all the intermediaries. And like all things blockchain, they're trying to cut out those middlemen and make everything fairer and more efficient. So this all works thanks to the world of DeFi. If you want more information about that, check out the DeFi lending tutorial I did about how you can earn interest by lending your coins out to margin traders that pay to borrow them off you to do that trading. So Pool Together have got their smart contracts where people can buy tickets, deposit their DAI together in a big pool, and that pool earns interest. And then every Friday, one person that's bought a ticket wins all that interest that's accrued, and everyone else gets their money back. So I've got a few tickets. I'm going to show you how to do this, and I can choose just to enter the next draw the following week and just leave it there, but it never costs me anything. It's free to enter, and it's just that interest that gets paid out. So really cool stuff. To participate in this, you're going to need an Ethereum wallet, so something like MetaMask that's embedded in your browser. You can send some Ethereum there. If you need to buy some DAI, if you haven't got any in your wallet like I have, you can head over to a decentralized exchange like Kyber and just swap for ETH or whatever coins you've got into DAI. That's all happening automatically on the blockchain. I love all this stuff coming together. We've got Web 3.0 wallets now like Engine that allow you to do this in the actual app and in-app browser. This is Web 3.0, guys. It's fantastic to see, very exciting. So look, if we head back over to Pool Together website, we can see if we buy one ticket, the chance of winning we have. So if we were to ramp that up, let's say we were to put in $1,000, that gives us a 1% chance. So that tells us that at the moment there's about $100,000 in this pool. It's earning all that interest and then being paid out to the winner. And it's around a few $100s at the moment that you can win, but it's very early on. So I assume that this is only going to grow and grow. So look, I've already purchased 5 tickets just before. All you've got to do, guys, is type 5, click on buy tickets, and then you give permission for 5 DAI for Pool Together to transact with that in your smart contract. That's going to be one transaction that you have to approve with your MetaMask. And then step 2 is just sending those DAI into the pool, and you purchase tickets by clicking that button that's going to pop up there. So look, this has all been audited by QuantStamp. This is another little project I own a few tokens in because I think the auditing of all these smart contracts on Ethereum is going to be more important going forward. So they found that this is all well-written code. As all early projects can have little bugs, I wouldn't put too much money in this, but it is a little bit of fun. It's free to enter. Like all things, we can see that this isn't a scam because we can trace what is happening on the blockchain in these smart contracts all the way from our wallet. Look, if you've got more questions about this, they've got a little FAQ section over there, guys. But I expect this to continue to grow. Some of the bigger projects are probably going to get on board here, maybe sponsor it, pull some DAI and increase that prize pool, get more eyeballs on this website, and put some banners up. So very early on, but really cool stuff. If you want more information about anything we do, guys, head to nuggetsnews.com.au. Otherwise, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share these videos around, and thanks for tuning in. Cheers.